Hi there, my name is Carla Ann and I'm the car lady here at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. And today I want to go over a few things with you in your vehicle in the infotainment center. And in specific, I want to go over the vehicle status monitor. All right, so let's find it in our screen. Here is your infotainment screen. We're going to flip over to applications and I'm going to click the button to select it. I'm going to go down to vehicle status monitor and I'm going to select. Naturally, you can do all of this with your touch screen as well, so you can just choose warning guidance. Now currently, this vehicle, because it's brand new, it only has 17 kilometers on it, there are no warnings found on this vehicle. But how to use this? I'm going to just quickly turn off the vehicle and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So I'm going to light up the screen here in just a second and you'll see all kinds of, there you go. See all those little yellow, red, and green pictures and symbols? I'll do it again. Make sure you take a good look. There they are. Now, if any one of those symbols comes on and you're not sure what it means or what to do with it, this is where you come. You come to your infotainment center, you go to applications, you click that button, and then you go to vehicle status monitor, and right here on warning guidance, you're going to get a caution symbol. It's going to be like a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark. You'll click on it, and underneath here, there's going to be a list with the image telling you what the issue is, and that will give you information so that you know if it's something to worry about, and also then when you do call our service department, you can tell them what warnings did come up in your vehicle. So that's your warning guidance. Now let's go back here to maintenance. Maintenance is, this is a tool for you to use. Now normally in a vehicle, a brand new vehicle with synthetic oil, we recommend that you change your oil every 8,000 kilometers. We also do recommend that if you're not driving your vehicle 8,000 kilometers in 6 months, that you do change it. So now you'll notice it says here service past due. I'm just going to show you that's what came up in my dash, but it actually isn't. I'm just going to adjust it now. So I adjust it by turning it to time, and then I'm going to click this button here, and it goes to 0 days. I'll click 0 days, and then I'll turn my button here, and it goes up and down. So 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months is what we recommend, 8,000 kilometers or 6 months to get your oil changed. And then I'll click, and now it is set. All right, so you can also, if you choose to have your tire rotation set, you can do that here as well. Here in Manitoba, we don't often set that because often we are changing our tires from winter tires to summer tires, and that's when we take care of that to begin with. So that's entirely up to you. Again, this is customizable. It's your car. Use it the way you feel is the best for you. If you have any questions about any of those little symbols or what your warning guidance is saying to you, or if you have questions about how to use any of these pieces, give me a call. My name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and you can reach me at 204-326-6437. Have a great day.